Hello guys, I'm Jeff from How to Where to and Updates, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get macros or the looping software for Chrome. Now before I start, I would like to introduce that macros is a software which helps in looping, that is, repeats the action which you have entered in that command. So without wasting time, let's just start. First you have to go to, now there are two ways. Either you go on settings, more tools, and then go on extensions and then click here, or you can just directly search for this URL on Google. The next thing is click on get more extensions, and now you're on the Chrome Web Store, and here search for imacros. Now this is the software I was talking about. I feel this is probably the best macros available, and then click on add to Chrome, and then you can add it. It's gonna take some time. Yeah, and then you will be shown up with this thank you message page, and now it's not covered, I guess. The extension would look something like this. Set it back. So you have to click on it, and now you will be presented with this window screen, and here you can just start. Now I can make a separate video on how to use this, because I don't want to make my videos too long and boring. So thank you for watching, guys. If you liked it, like it, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. If you have any queries, let me know and I'll try my best to solve them. Thank you guys for watching once again.